Serena.
Hat? Who's on the hat? Who's on the hat, baby?
No, can you say Bubbles?
Elmo? Can you say Bubbles? What did you say? Can you say Peach? Can you say Block? Can you say Rock? Can you say Dirt? Can you say Mouth? What's this? What's this? What's this? Can you say eye?